Gas. Noun. A flammable gaseous hydrocarbon or hydrocarbon mixture, typically predominantly methane, used as a fuel, e.g. for cooking, heating, electricity generation or as a fuel in internal combustion engines in vehicles. Gas-fired power stations have largely replaced coal-burning ones. Gas. Noun. A hob on a gas cooker. She turned the gas on, put the potatoes on, then lit the oven. Gas. Verb. To kill with poisonous gas. Gas. Verb. To talk, chat. Gas. Verb. To emit gas. The battery cell was gassing. Gas. Verb. To impregnate with gas. To gas lime with chlorine in the manufacture of bleaching powder. Gas. Verb. To singe, as in a gas flame, so as to remove loose fibers. To gas thread. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.